In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways I've been using to make money online, which you can use today while in lockdown at home. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. Welcome to my channel, the best place for business coaches, affiliate marketers, and entrepreneurs. In this video, I will give you 3 ways on how to build an honest, sustainable online business from your computer while at home. The spread of the coronavirus has a devastating impact on many sectors of the world. As with crisis, companies have to change the way they work, and so do we. Looking for a recession-proof business to make money online during COVID-19, the pandemic, is of great importance. As no one knows how long this pandemic will last, income alternatives are important during these tough financial times. Please do not let fear get the best of you during these times of uncertainty. You have talent and skills that can get you through this. And right now, it could be the best time to put your skills to use. Me, will help you to get through coronavirus pandemic crisis by supporting you and showing you different ways how to create your own business and make an income from home. Later on, I will post more videos on this channel with in detail, step-by-step instructions, so you will be able to set up your own online business. Please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell below, and you will be the first to know when my next video is available. As promised, let's get started with the real stuff. I'm personally using strategies that work to generate an income from home, and so can you. Without owning your own product, having inventory, your own website, having an email list, without needing a huge budget, and as I said, without any prior experience or special skills. You can do this. I honestly believe the methods I will show you are the best way to make money online. The best part of this type of life-changing income is you need to work on that business for not more than 3 hours a day only. Well, I taught these 3 methods to my students, which are regular, everyday people from all over the world, and the results they've been achieved are amazing. And now I'll show you how you can learn and do the same. The method I'm talking about is affiliate marketing. This is a process where you earn commission when marketing a product or a service from another business. It is a good idea to choose a product or service you probably used before, or something you liked and you want to share this experience with the rest of the world. When somebody buys this product or the service through your affiliate link, you will receive a slice of the profit. This can range anywhere from 5% to 50% or even more. You can even earn a recurring income when somebody subscribes to a membership or a monthly service. I am personally affiliated with the following very successful leader in the affiliate marketing business, and so can you. Let's look at the first person I'm going to talk about in the affiliate marketing business, mainly Philip Borroman. You can copy the same underground action plan that motivated a baker to quit his job and build a successful online business. His step-by-step blueprint for making money online is 100% proven, because it is beginner friendly, simple to implement, free traffic source, no paid ads, scalable, honest and evergreen. One-time payment, no upsells or sales afterwards. Once you started, one payment only. Risk-free, money-back guarantee, step-by-step video tutorials to help you on this journey. Click the link below the video to start immediately with this amazing product from Philip Borroman. He will be your mentor and I will be your secondary mentor for this. The second very successful online marketer is John Crestani. He is an internationally popular expert in the field of affiliated marketing. He's built up his empire in the world of affiliated marketing and it's 100% safe and secure. I have discovered his free program that can make an additional income for your household. Click the link below the video to start with his program if you feel this is the one you want to use. And third, last but definitely not the least, is Anthony Morrison. If you ever seen Anthony Morrison on TV, you might be wondering how he was so able to become so successful. He had to overcome many financial challenges early in his adult life, and it led him to develop a system that allowed him to build an incredible online business. Do you want to start your own online business for only $7 a month by partnering with Anthony Morrison? Check this out for yourself. Learn something new while at home with time on your hands, and the best is you will earn an income. Click the link below the video for person number 3, Anthony Morrison, if you want to start with his affiliate marketing strategies. If you want to start your own affiliated marketing business, watch my next video where I'm explaining you how to start affiliated marketing business step by step, and most of all, how to avoid most pitfalls. In conclusion, I believe in simplification. You don't need to do thousands of things to be successful, and you most certainly don't need to follow everyone who gives you advice. Ultimately, it's your business. Don't let anyone dictate how your time should be spent and what you should be doing. Choose and join one of these 3 successful marketers, and I can promise you, you will become successful online marketer as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and you will receive a notification when one of my new videos is available. Please leave comments, requests for topics, and your questions in the comment box below, and I will come back to you personally and create videos with your requested topics. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in my next video on the other side of the screen.